Here I am getting ready to go for, what is this, shoreline?
I forgot already.
Pound shore something.
Strip off in the parking lot beach.
It's a great day to be finding some pennies. I just came back from court. Now I got my fishing sentence reduced to $200 from $400, so Kev's all happy. Now I gotta find $200 worth of pennies. Oh, there's a naked Tim. Oh my God. Oh, there's a Sam Squanch in the parking lot.
Fucking eating cheeseburgers. Put on my good luck shirt. I could not find shit at the beach with this shirt on.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get changed and find a penny. Look, we're in Nova Scotia, and that flag proves it. There's Tim in the water. A lot of beach here. Not a whole lot of nothing, though. There's old man Smith. Give me a report, Smith. Some nasty surf here.
It's got a bad undertow. And fish. Place is full of small fish. Pools of them along the shore here everywhere. They ate all the metal. 8 pennies, 8 nickels, 8 quarters, 8 dimes, 8 loonies, 8 toonies, 8 rings. There ain't a goddamn thing here to find.
Bayfield Beach. There's Super Tim. Low tide is about half an hour ago, so it's coming on in.
Actually, it should be at directly low tide. We've got about 40 minutes where it doesn't do anything.
Oh, sweet. So let's see what we can find. And the first target is a 925 silver ring with some Chinese writing on it or something. Pretty cool. And Tim has found 2 parfait spoons. Somebody's talking yellow over here.
I don't know. It doesn't have much on the inside of it. Everything else here's been so crusted up.
Yeah, I thought the silver one was all just junker. Oh, let's see. Yeah, oh yeah, there's stuff in there.
Is there?
It says, give to Kev.
No, it don't.
I think it says 10K.
Nice. First gold.
See right there. That's a big one too.
Yeah, it's 10K.
Let's see it on your finger, yo.
First gold.
First gold, sweet.
I almost replaced my camera. Oh dear.
Oh, that went for a little swim.
It did. That was only, I was shining up on a nickel at the time. So.
My ring has Chinese writing on it, or Oriental or something.
What a great beach.
Oh yeah.
And there's no rhyme or reason to where you're finding stuff.
It's all in the water.
It's just everywhere, yeah.
Sweet. Okay, let's get busy.
Let's get busy, because if there's one, there's more. Get into it.
Uh-oh. Tim's getting in trouble again. Look at that. Circular object in the scoop. Nova Scotia Sanatorium. Nursing assistant. 1966. Well, that's awesome. Nothing on the inside of it though. Still pretty cool. There's some little mermaids out there. And there's Tim over there. There he is. Well, that guy's not too happy.
What do you got?
Crazy crab in my scoop. Ooh, Mr. Crab. Mr. Crab. Rah. Crazy little guy. There's Tim getting all changed up from a big day of finding his first super gold ring.
Drowning my second camera.
And drowning his second camera. That was a super great beach. There's his drowned camera. Never to take a photo again. And there's his yellow box of happiness.
It's all good stuff.
Look at his yellow box of happiness. Ah, he's got a My Little Princess ring, happy pony thing, a super cool gold ring. Nothing shines like gold. It's got that crud all over it that's all over everything. And you can just see in there it says what we're thinking is 10K. That is awesome. I think it fits me too. No, it fits my little finger. Look at that. Arrgh. And he's got some worn out coins. He found Jesus. He was waiting on the bottom of a hole for him. He supposedly had a penny with the king on it.
Somewhere in there. King's real faint.
Yeah, king is real faint. Yeah, that's it. 1951. Awesome. There's a loony. Not much left of that.
Yeah, that's got more crust on it.
That's awesome. And we'll see my shit when we get to the restaurant. So there's what we got for the day. Well, that's what I got for the day. We already seen Tim stuff. Some loonies. Some nickels, some dimes. We get pennies that come out like that. They're all crusted with goo baked on, but once it comes off in clumps. So, and we got the silver ring. It's got like Oriental writing on it, or just sort of gibberish. And that's neat. That's 925. Have these things that come off of lobster traps and have the numbers on it. We have this ring, 1966, Nova Scotia Sanatorium. Sanatorium, nursing assistant. The sanatorium is where they took care of TB patients. See the cross there? That's the Lung Association. They closed those down in the 70s, I think. They used to have one in every province. And that's it for this one.